Hello to all traders and welcome back to another video brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at indices today after the Dow and the S&P broke a 3-day losing streak in the last couple of sessions. Now we've seen a little bit of a bounce as the Dow did slide under 33,000 in the last couple of sessions as well. But now it seems like it's a slight correction, especially on the daily chart, before a possible another move higher if we can get back above these recent highs that we've seen. So all eyes on the Jackson Hole Symposium today as we're looking at Fed Jerome Powell, who's testifying tomorrow and maybe give clues about more inflation targets for the rest of the year, as well as other world leaders that will give obviously other targets about their own economies as well. So it's not only the indices and the American economy that we'll look at in the next few trading sessions. It's also, European, Asia, all these other aspects of the globe that traders really want to see what's going to happen for the rest of the year as well. So looking at the Dow first of all today, like I said, we have actually broke this 3-day losing streak. Had a bit of a mild day in yesterday's session, but now as you can see, progressively moving higher. So for me, I was always looking that this was still in a bull market at the moment. We've seen fast progression. Obviously there was going to be a correction at some point, but it looks like hopefully for bulls especially, this correction has come to an end and now we are seeing another move higher. Obviously if we can get past the 34,000 range, then this will be a confirmation, and then we can really start putting more and more focus and emphasis on another leg higher. So this will be quite, this is what I'll be looking for anyway in the next few trading sessions. The Dow is obviously a popular asset that our traders like to focus on and to trade on. So we want to give you the best education as possible and opportunities in that respect. So looking on the RSI, nothing too dramatic in the next signal. But interestingly enough, on the 4-hour chart, with the assistance of the Ichimoku cloud, which is the one I usually like to go to, I'll just remove these drawings. As you can see here, we've dipped below the cloud, but it was quite thin, so it's quite an easy piercing here. But on the next leg of this would be my next target on the intraday, roughly about the 33,500 area. We're just creeping up to that at the moment in the morning session. But you can see on the RSI, very vastly down here. And we are seeing now that prices could kind of come to a little bit of an abrupt halt roughly about that area that I targeted just a second ago, and then possibly another slight correction before hopefully another move higher. As I said, this is for bulls. If you're a bear, we'll have to see what the next potential is. If we do get another resistance area at this point, then we can see another leg lower to see how far it can go down. So very exciting times at the moment for these indices, and earnings season still going on as well, so don't forget about that. Now, if we just go on to the S&P, it's pretty much similar to the Dow in the sense that we did have this 3-day losing streak, but now as you can see, we have found a bit of support here, and now we're possibly moving higher in the next few trading sessions as well. So this will be quite significant in that respect. If we look at the point where we are above 4,100, at the moment we're now seeing if prices will get back to these recent highs of 4,300. This will give us a good indication if this choppy market that has been a little bit less of a bull market than the Dow, as you can see here, is going to continue higher. So that will be something that I'll be looking at as well. But you let me know what you're trading on and we'll give you the best opportunities available in the market. On the 4-hour chart, it's a little bit different to the Dow in the sense that we are trading above the Ichimoku cloud, and this is an indication that we haven't really found a bottom yet, and if prices do find some kind of support there, then we can see another leg higher. So very exciting times there, and we could see another push to the upside. So it's all about the Jackson Hole Symposium starting today. We are looking at Fed Chair Jerome Powell, who's allegedly testifying tomorrow. So this will give us more indication on where the American dollar is going. So this is the index, these are the indices. Even oil and gold as well could be moved on his speech. But don't forget everything else that's going on around the symposium, because every speaker gives certain clues about where their economy is going by the end of the year. So this is just something to keep an eye out for the remaining of the trading week until we get into the weekend. So I'll bring you the latest in the news tomorrow's video. So until then, happy trading and have a great day ahead. Bye for now.